From these positions, white can achieve checkmate in 3 moves. However, if white begins by moving its king, it will result in a stalemate. As black king, we have no legal move available. We have to move the queen or the bishop. Moving the queen to c6 puts pressure on the black king, compelling it to retreat to b8. This sequence will lead to checkmate in 4 moves. First, the bishop moves to c7, delivering the check, and the black king is forced to c8. Next, bishop moves to f4. We have a check with the queen. King needs to move to d8. Finally, the bishop moves to g5, delivering the checkmate. This entire sequence consists of 4 moves. We need to find the right move to accomplish checkmate in 3. The key move will be to advance the queen to b2. While it may seem illogic at first, the brilliance of this move will become clear. A black king moves to d7. Now we have a checkmate in 2 moves. Queen to e5. Black has 2 possibilities. First one, move to c8. Queen to c7, checkmate. The second possibility, king to c6. Queen to d5, checkmate. Did you find a checkmate in 3 moves? Let me know in the comment. And until my next video, you can watch the video on the screen. Thank you very much.